Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to everyone. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the structural isomers. Okay, so if we refer to the notes, the structural isomers can be divided into three types. Okay, so structural isomer can be divided into three types, which is the first one is chain or skeletal isomer, and then the second one is positional isomer, and the third one is functional group isomer. So today we are going to focus only two types of isomer. The first one is chain or skeletal isomer, and the next one is positional isomer. Okay, so now the first one, chain or skeletal isomer. So what is actually chain or skeletal isomer? Chain or skeletal isomer is the structure which is different in carbon skeleton. Either it can be linear or branch change. And the isomer also have the same functional group. Okay, so now we go to the first example. Okay, let's say we have the molecule with formula C5H12. So this is the group for alkane. Okay, whereby we can draw the three structure of alkane. The first one, okay, the first structure we can write the straight change CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So the name of the molecule is pentane. Alright, the second one we can write as a branching. Okay, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this structure, the name is 2-methyl butane. So if we compare these two structure, actually pentane and 2-methyl butane have the same functional group, but it has a different structure, which is pentane has a straight chain and 2-methyl butane has a branching structure. And this is a pair of isomer for chain and or skeletal isomer. While the third structure, we can write the more branch, which is like this. And the name of the compound is 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, if we compare pentane and 2,2-dimethyl propane, it is also a pair of isomer, which is pentane has a straight chain and 2,2-dimethyl propane has a branching. So this is the chain or skeletal isomer. Alright, the next one, we go to the second type of isomer, which is positional isomer. So what is positional isomer? Positional isomer is isomer that have the same functional group. It has the same functional group, but the functional group located at the different position. Okay, so this is the meaning of positional isomer. they have the same functional group, but the functional group located at the different position in the structure. Okay, so now we look at one example. Okay, let's say we have molecule with formula C3H7Br. So this is the molecule for CH3. So now bromine located at the second carbon. So the name of the compound is 2-bromopropane. Okay, if we compare for these two structure, okay, 1-bromopropane and 2-bromopropane, actually this is a pair of positional isomer because it has the same functional group, which is the functional group is halogen, but it has the different position of functional group. Okay, for 1-bromopropane and 2-bromopropane. So the next one, we have C4H8. So this is the formula for alkene. Alright, so this is butane. So we can write the first structure. Okay, carbon double bond at the first carbon. Alright, like this. Okay, since carbon double bond located at the first carbon, so the name of this alkene is 1-butane. Alright. Okay, the second structure, we can change the position of double bond. Okay, which is carbon double bond can be written at the second carbon. Alright, like this. Okay, so this is CH3. So the name of the compound is 2-butane. So this is also a pair of positional isomer. Okay, if we look at for these two structure, they have the same functional group, but the location or the position of double bond at a different position. Alright, so this 1-butane and 2-butane. Okay, and the last example for cyclic, yeah, we have C7H4Cl2. So this is contained of benzene ring. Okay, so now we can write the first structure for benzene. So this is benzene. Alright, chlorine we can put at the first and second carbon. So the name of the compound is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Alright, and then for the second structure, we can change the position of chlorine, which is we can put at first and third carbon. So the name of the compound is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Alright, and the third structure, we can change chlorine, okay, at this position, whereby the name of the compound is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Okay, if we compare these three structure, this is also as the positional isomer, yeah, because these three structure have different position of functional group, which is the functional group is halogen. Okay, so this structure have the position of chlorine at 1,2. This is at 1,3, yeah, first and third carbon, and this one is first and fourth carbon. Alright, so this is this example for the positional isomerism. Alright, for the functional group isomerism, we will continue for the next class. Okay.